Hello guys and welcome to Zig Wheels. We are in Bangalore for the launch of the CF Moto brand. The Chinese brand has got 3 new 650cc offerings. The one in front of us is the 650 NK. It's a naked street bike and has been priced at rupees 3.99 lakh ex showroom. So just like the 300 NK, it gets a edgy and muscular styling. Now that's the LED headlight. That's the split seat and a very sharp tail section with a LED tail light, and even the indicators are LED. But unlike the 300 NK, this gets a normal LCD digital console, and that's its switch gear. So talking about the engine specs, the bike is powered by a 649cc twin cylinder liquid cooled motor producing 61 PS of power and 56 Nm of torque. It gets paired to a 6-speed transmission. And talking about cycle parts, it gets a conventional telescopic fork at the front and dual disc brakes at the front, and also dual channel ABS. And just like the 300 NK, it gets an underbelly exhaust, and at the rear is an adjustable offset monoshock. The brakes have been sourced from JG1, which was seen on the first generation Mojo. Moving forward is the CF Moto 650 MT. This is an EDV offering from CF Moto and has been priced at rupees 4.99 lakh. So it gets a conventional EDV stance with a large windscreen at the front. The windscreen is adjustable on this bike, and it also gets a LED headlight. I'll show you the console. So that's the console, again LCD unit, and that's a switch gear. So this gets an 18-liter fuel tank, and the seat height is 820 mm. You get an optional low seat, while the standard seat is 840 mm, which is on the taller side. So talking about hardware, again it gets twin disc at the front, but this gets a upside down fork, and it is an adjustable unit. And at the rear, you get a offset monoshock, and this is also a adjustable unit. So the chassis engine is shared between all the 3 bikes, but the engine tuning is different. The 650 MT is the most powerful of the lot. It gets 70.7 PS of power and 62 Nm of torque. And talking about weight, the 650 MT tips the scale at 213 kg. Now moving forward, this is the CF Moto 650 GT. Now this is the most premium offering from CF Moto, and this retails for rupees 5.49 lakh ex showroom. And being a sports tourer, it gets a nice tall windscreen, large fairing, protect you against wind blast. While the other 650s get a normal LCD console, this gets an TFT screen And there are two modes. So talking about engine, this bike is powered by a same 649cc engine, but the power figure stands at 62.5 PS and torque figure at 58.5 Nm. It's also the heaviest bike of the lot at 226 kg, and seat height is pretty low at 795 mm. It also comes with two panniers. CF Moto hasn't confirmed whether these are optional or comes as standard. So these are the three new motorcycles in the 650 class from CF Moto. We will be riding this bike soon, so make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.